Welcome to the Flower Market Kit Introduction video. I'm Shari Philomahala here to show you our two kits for this month. So first we're going to be creating this album, A-frame calendar mini album. And then we'll also be creating these super cute pocket floral cards with these three-dimensional flowers. So to jump right into our album kit for this month, this A-frame calendar mini album is a great home decor piece. It's got a lot of fun, gorgeous details like you can see here on our cover. And then opening that up, we're gonna go right into January. On one side, we've got a great spot for a photo mat, and on the reverse, we have a nice little calendar so you can mark down any of your important dates and stay organized all year long. We've got some great little pullouts that go inside as well. You could add another photo to the back of this, or you could add your special birthdays. So each month has a similar pattern where there's one side for the calendar and one side for your photos to highlight. And they all have those great tuck spots and some fun little interactive details as well. You can see here our March calendar pulls out. Each month is more gorgeous than the last. You can see so many great sayings on here. June, we've got the roses and love sentiment for July. September, October, November, last but not least, December, my favorite month. With that, we have this cute little tag album that's stored in the base. So we're not letting any of those papers go to waste, and we're creating a cute little tag album that goes along with that. These tags can also be stored in those pages or in the base of our album here. Album has been created for us this month by Carla Vera, and Carla always creates such fun projects and packs in techniques after techniques that can be used on all your crafting projects. Now, to create this, you're going to need to pick up our Volume 1 album kit. This kit includes a graphic 45 bag to store all the goodies in, along with a project sheet with step-by-step directions. The Flower Market 12 by 12 papers with 24 double-sided sheets in there. The Flower Market ephemera assortment with 40 different pieces. 4 2-inch brass binding rings. The Flower Market chipboard, and 10 craft 12 by 12 chipboard sheets. To pick up those kits, you can go to our website, g45papers.com, or head down to your local G45 retailer. Now to show you what we're going to be creating with our Volume 1 for 2023 card kit, pocket fold floral cards. So we're going to show you how to use these easy breezy cut aparts along with the journaling cards, and then our new flower assortments that coordinate with the collections. We're going to use these fun new 3D flowers to really add an extra punch to your handmade cards. This is using our Flower Market collection, so you can see there's a lot of great elements, and you can really personalize these cards for whoever the recipient is or whatever time of year you're giving these out. These have been created for us by Nancy Wethington, and you know Nancy is always packing in fun details and little techniques for you to use. In this kit, you're going to get our new Flower Market flower assortment pieces. These are unique to this collection and match perfectly, and even have some three-dimensional blossoms. You're going to get the Flower Market journaling cards, 32 different pieces in here, along with the 8x8 papers. You're going to get 24 sheets of double-sided paper in there, 2 for each month. A project sheet with directions, 6 card bases that are 5.5 by 5.5 with envelopes, and the bag to store all your leftovers in. You can pick up this kit on our website at g45papers.com. And now some exciting news about our 2023 subscribers for this year. We are rewarding you by giving you these collector edition buttons. So the album kit's gonna get these larger buttons, and you'll get a new button each month that represents the paper collection that we use that month. So the Flower Market buttons will be used this month, and then the card kits will get these cuter, smaller guys. So you'll be able to collect these, and you'll only be able to get these through our kits. So go ahead, become a subscriber, and enjoy the perks of getting these kits sent directly to you in the mail every month, along with the buttons and getting these great projects sent to you every month in the mail. You'll also get a 10% off coupon for your ongoing Graphic 45 purchases. We encourage you to click the tutorial links below so you can create these fabulous projects with us. And if you're looking for more great inspiration like this, become a subscriber to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.